Okay, now that we've cleaned up, or excuse me, now that we've sent over all the bid packages over to our bids, we need to clean up because even though we have 90 total bid packages, it doesn't mean we're going to use them all. So, for example, sprinkler engineering, you're going to have to know the project in order to do this, but we always have sprinkler engineering because, I'm giving you an example, because let's just say you're doing an apartment or maybe a townhouse or something that's 4 levels, you're going to need sprinklers. But for this case, it's a single family dwelling. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get rid of it. And what we want to get rid of all these that are unnecessary. So by the time you hit the 4000 series, it pretty much cleans itself up and it's only applicable to home building. So lead consultant, phase one studies, flow tests you will not need, lighting design, dry utility consultant, landscape. For now, I'm going to hold off there and just keep it clean. So we're at 3180. Demo you'll need, water sewer. Site remediation is if we need to do mold or asbestos abatement. For this case, this is just a single family home that doesn't even have it. So we'll take that out. Clearing is definitely needed for this lot. Earthwork is needed. Retaining walls we do not need. We will need new sanitary water, storm water, electric and telephone, site lighting and signs we will not need. Some extra abatement. We're at 4150 right now. This one needs to be fixed. So we are now at the 4000 series, which is home building, right? Of our cost codes, just to kind of give you a quick high level understanding of this. Essentially, it's broken up into 4 different segments. So you have your land acquisition cost, that's the 1000 series. Soft cost is your 2000 series, so civil engineering, architecture, all that stuff. Land development is horizontal, and home building is vertical. So no matter what you're doing, if it's a renovation, if it's a townhouse, if it's a single family, no matter what, you're going to be doing the 4000 series. So kind of jumping back over to here. Underpinning is here just in case for a new renovation, which we will not need soil treatment. Shaft walls is for townhouse, so you will not need those. I think from here on out, you're going to need everything. God, so not cooperating. So underpinning, shaft walls. All of this is going to be necessary. For this house, there's no brickwork, but there is stonework, so we're going to go ahead and leave that in. So everything else should be in every single job, no matter what we're doing. And if you ever have a question, do not delete it. If there is a question, like let's just say you get down here and you don't know if you're taking out the sidewalks or adding sidewalks or lead walks or anything like that, just by default, always leave it in, and then you're not going to be able to make a mistake. So that should be it. We'll go ahead and delete those. And now what you have is your bid packages and you're ready to go. So I will break this up into another video because some people will be going straight to step number 3. Some people will be starting here. It just depends on how knowledgeable you are on the job. But it's supposed to be step 2, cleaning up your bid packages and getting them ready to be sent out. One other thing I want to do, let's just say we had a big person in here. I want to go ahead and close out anything that we've already bid out. And again, this was picked up in the middle of the job. So right here, you see how these are bid out correctly and they have a subcontractor. We need to add in later, not right now, but we'll need to do architecture, structural engineering, put in numbers for those so that whoever is paying the invoices, they'll understand what the next steps are and who has been bought out and who hasn't. So essentially where we are is we're at sediment and erosion control. and we will start to send the bid packages out in the next package, or next video, excuse me.